So I saw this TikTok where a lady made vegan butter and she didn't say anything about it. All I could see was her facial expression and it didn't seem too pleased. There was no recipe in the video, so I'm kind of eyeballing what I think went in. This is my way of doing things. I also don't have time to go to the store today, so we are going to make a few changes. For instance, she used soy milk. I don't have soy milk. I have Chobani Extra Creamy, and it's delicious. You have to try this stuff, it's so good. Chobani, please sponsor me. Okay, so she put it in like a bowl, and that's what we're gonna do now. So what she was doing was like curdling it with an acid. She used lemon juice. I don't have lemon juice. So we're using vinegar. You just need a splash. I also don't know if oat milk will curdle, but you know, this is just a day of experimentation. I'm gonna give this a stir and give it 5 minutes. I don't have spoons either, so I got a finger. I already have no hope for this. Next ingredient is coconut oil. Don't know how much to measure on this one, but I'm a professional vegan, so I just, you know, measure with my vegan heart. So just a bit of the coconut oil into a bowl, and we're gonna melt it. So the coconut oil is now melted. She put a few things in there that I have no idea what they are, but I know some different kind of oil went in. I'm thinking it's avocado oil. I don't have any of those fancy schmancy oils, so I got olive oil. Just a little splash of olive oil. That should be fine. Salt. And some orange spice went in there, so I'm thinking it's turmeric, and I think it's just for the color. So do it just a little bit. We'll see. We'll see. My oat milk and vinegar mixture has been sitting for like 5 minutes. There's been no change. Hers came out like chunky, so I guess oat milk doesn't curdle, but we're gonna roll with it. Let's do this. So I'll just pour a little bit of the oat milk mixture into here and whip it up. Gonna give it a good whisk with a fork, because I don't know where a whisk is. I think I put too much turmeric. It's almost like popcorn butter, like the fake stuff.